Had someone ask me to make a video about this trailer hitch that I put on the front. I think that's the part number for it right there. If you can just pause it there for a minute, maybe write it down. Yeah, I would only put this on here. Wanted to pull stuff around, some light stuff. Nothing too crazy around the yard. Just pull some, like I pulled that truck around the last week or a few weeks ago. I have a snowplow back there that I used to put on this before I lifted it. That's why I put it on here. Originally was to put a snowplow on it, and it did really good. See, there's the switch for the winch that was on the plow down here. And the Clevice here, I just picked up at Napa. One that just said it fit into, I think this is 2-inch, 2.5 inch or something. And then these two were just off the shelf at Napa, and they're rated for like 7,000 pounds. This one's rated for 7,000, and this one's rated for 12, I believe. But I don't pull anything near that weight with this. And all I did was go in there and ask for a hitch. I said it was for the front hitch for one of these half tons. So I assume any other parts store you could do that too. This one's a Kurt brand. I've used a Reese hitch on another truck. That was really nice. And I think this whole setup was around 200 bucks. It might have even been less now, but I put this on here a few years ago, so I don't really remember. Yeah, it was really easy to install too. Everything went on really easy on this guy. It gives you plates. It gives you plates and stuff to put bolts on up in there. And to get, there was some special trick that the instructions had to get this last bolt in there. Because these ones go straight up into a plate you slide in. And this one you put in through the top. There was like a wire that you hook on it. And you kind of push it in there until it will fall through the hole. And then the wire just pulls off of it. And then you just put your nut on it. Yeah, all in all, no complaints on this one. Been really solid. I've hit a few things with it. It never even bent. And yeah, I've towed that around with it. I've towed this around with it, this truck. I've towed this motorhome around with it, just backing it up. That little old car back there, and a few other of the trucks around here, and some friends that have been stuck off-road. And I have pulled down a tree with it, I believe. But yeah, I would just go to a parts store and ask for a hitch for your specific truck for the front, because this one wouldn't fit on the back at all. It's made in USA too, which I really like. It's not Chinese crap. Anyhow, that's it, man.